What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to remove password on your laptop or PC on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let me directly get into a step. First one, just go over here, search for the settings, and you have to search for the settings over here like this. Just get into the settings, and right now from here we need to navigate to the accounts. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to sign in option. Now from here you can see there is an option called password where you have to select it. And right now we can see there is an option called change. Tap over here on the change and we need to type your current password. So what I'm going to do is let me select or type the current password which I have set right now. So I have to set it over here and go for the next. And right now it is asking the new password where I wanted to give a new password. So I need to give a new password. So what I'm going to do, let me give over here a new password over here, or I have to give over here, let me type it once again. And I have to confirm the password, and I have to go for over here like this. I'm going to give a hint and I have to go for the next, so that just go for finish. So right now as you can see, it's been completely changed and it means completely removed, and that's what you have to try. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it, bye bye.